I assign readings to first-generation college students, they often simply repeat words and phrases from the text without understanding the ideas behind the reading. My challenge is to get them to understand the ideas behind the reading. Students need to know that when we have classroom discussions, we're going to delve much more deeply into the reading rather than simply repeating the words and phrases offered by the author. So my breakthrough strategy is to conduct seminars several times during the term. I announce the dates ahead of time, and I explain the grading system for the students. A week before the seminar, I assign a reading and include either questions already in the chapter itself or questions I create. On seminar day, students must come to class with a written response to those questions using at least 300 words. After they arrive, I stamp their written responses with my signature. They keep these for use during class, then at the end of the term, I collect all of them. Any student who does not have the written response cannot stay for the class and loses points. So next, I randomly choose 9 to 12 students from index cards each student has filled out with his or her preferred name. They're the seminar core participants for that day. Those students sit in the center circle, the rest sit outside of this group. Then the students in the center begin discussing the reading. No one's a facilitator, they're all equals. Students who sit in the center circle earn points for being present, more points for speaking up, for being good listeners to the others in the circle, and especially for referencing specifics in the reading to bolster their ideas or to seek clarification from another student. Students outside the center circle earn points for being able to paraphrase what the speakers have said, and more points for being especially accurate in describing what had just been said. The first time I use seminar format in class, I interrupt occasionally to point out what they're doing right. After that, the only time I speak is to draw a card of one of the students on the outside circle and ask, can you paraphrase what the student who is speaking just said? Students earn points for the quality of their response. They quickly realize if they do poorly or if they aren't there when their card is drawn, the negative results in their grade can be significant. I do tell students that if they can't make it to class because they're sick or they have some issue at home, to call me before class and I'll take their card out so they can't be chosen. Now, every student does know that all of them will be picked for a seminar on at least one occasion. So the seminar format has been helpful because it gets students engaged in the reading. It also gets students to show up and show up ready. And students also learn that they can help each other do well. Learning doesn't have to be a zero-sum game. If students come to class without their reading or their written response, it's like coming to piano practice without your music or to the gym without your shoes. It keeps everybody accountable all the time. By the end of the term, students are not only attending class on a regular basis, they're more actively engaged. They've done the assigned reading and now come to class with the confidence to express their questions and ideas successfully.